Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram Reels. Want to tag friends, creators or brands in your Instagram Reels? In this video, I'll show you how to tag someone on Instagram Reels properly. The first step is to create or upload a reel. And to do that, just open the Instagram app and then tap on the plus button. Usually on mobile phones, it's in the bottom middle right here, but as I'm using a tablet, the layout is a bit different. So I'm just gonna click on the plus button right here and then select reel from the bottom. Let's see here, select reel. Click on keep editing and then record your reel. Now after you select the reel and record or upload a video, tap on next, and when you're done editing, uh, the second step is to tag people before posting. And to do that, just on the final screen, tap tag people and click on add tag or invite collaborators if you want to invite collaborators. I'm just gonna click on add tag and search and select the user you want to tag. After that, drag the tag to place it anywhere on the video. The third step is to mention someone in the caption. Now in the caption, let's go back to the caption. Now let's see here, where's the caption? Here is the caption. We're just gonna type this symbol right here, the arabesque symbol, followed by their username, and their name will appear as a clickable mention. As for the fourth and final step is to post reel. Tap share and the tagged person will receive a notification. And that's it. Now you know how to tag someone on Instagram Reels. Use this feature to collaborate, give credits, or engage with your audience. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.